How does IHL ensure humane treatment for POWs? Imagine being captured in a conflict and still expecting to be treated with respect and dignity. That's what international humanitarian law aims to guarantee for prisoners of war. When soldiers are taken prisoner, they are no longer combatants but individuals who deserve protection. The Geneva Conventions, especially the Third Geneva Convention, set strict rules to make sure POWs are treated humanely at all times. These rules apply regardless of the reason for their capture or their nationality. First, POWs must be treated without discrimination. Whether they are soldiers from one side or the other, their race, religion, or political beliefs should not affect how they are treated. Acts like murder, torture, or degrading treatment are outright forbidden. This means that even in difficult situations, the captors must respect the physical and mental integrity of prisoners. The law also states that POWs have the right to proper food, clean water, shelter, and medical care. The conditions of their detention should be comparable to those of the detaining force's own soldiers in the same area. This includes providing enough space, proper hygiene facilities, and respecting their cultural customs as long as it does not harm their health. Interrogation is another important aspect. POWs are only required to give basic information like their name, rank, date of birth, and serial number. They cannot be forced or coerced into answering questions. Interrogations must be conducted in a language they understand, and threats or insults are not allowed. Protection also covers legal rights. POWs cannot be punished just for taking part in hostilities. If they commit war crimes, they can be held accountable through fair trials. Reprisals or summary executions are forbidden. They must be given the chance for a proper trial with all the legal guarantees that ensure justice. When hostilities end, POWs have the right to be released and return to their home countries without delay. This helps prevent indefinite detention and ensures their dignity is maintained even after the fighting stops. Organizations like the International Committee of the Red Cross monitor these rules to make sure they are followed. They visit detention sites, provide aid, and report violations. This oversight helps keep the treatment of POWs humane and respectful. In essence, international humanitarian law creates a set of clear, enforceable standards that protect the physical and mental well-being of prisoners of war. It makes sure they are treated with respect, given basic needs, and protected from abuse, both during captivity and after the conflict ends.